Hi everyone, in this quick video I am going to show how to change the color theme in Google Notebook LM. So if you see right now the theme is white. If you see here the color is white here. Some people like to use dark theme. When you have dark theme it looks much better and it is also good for eyes. So if you want to change it to dark theme, all you need to do is on the top right hand side you see settings here. Click on settings. Once you click on settings you see device here. Once you click on device you see light mode, light theme, dark theme and device. All you need to do is click on dark theme. Once you click on dark theme the theme is going to change to dark. So if you click on it everything looks dark. So it looks much better. So if you go back to settings again, at any point in time, if you want to change it to light mode, you can change it to light mode again. So some people prefer dark theme, some people prefer light theme or light mode. So depending upon your requirement, you can customize the settings here. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.